Hey, hi everyone. My name is Yash, and today I welcome you back to my YouTube channel Crazy Cloud. This is the 17th video of LWC learning series, and in this video, we'll be talking about the updated version of the Lightning Toast messages. So, in the previous video, we have seen that how to create toast messages and what are the toast messages, right? But in the latest Winter 24 release, Salesforce has released some new features, or let's say new updates in the Toast functionality. So let's discuss those functionalities one by one in this video. So without getting any delay, let's get started. So in the previous video, I'll put down the link in the description box. That was the 16th video, and it is the 17th video, which is a part 2 of Lightning Toast messages. So in this video, what we're gonna learn is, so in the Winter 24 release, Winter 24 release, Salesforce has more updates in the Lightning Toast messages. So those updates includes the Toast library, and we have a good feature of hyperlinks in Toast messages. And another cool update was the close action. So let's understand what Toast library, hyperlinks, and close actions are. So hyperlinks are nothing but whenever we use the label and messages in the toast message. So in the label and message, we can give any link, the clickable link, to by clicking which link. By clicking that link, a user can navigate to another page or another, let's say, another component, anything. The close action is something, we have a cross button here in the toast message. So after clicking this cross button, what user should, whatever action you want to perform, you can define that into the close action. And toast library is nothing but the library of resources, right? So let's understand how it works in VS Code. So let's go to the VS Code. In the previous video, we have created this success toast message. Let me show you again. So basically, it shows three or four toast messages, right? So today, what I'm gonna do is, let's comment or delete them. And here, first, what we're gonna do is, first we need to import the Lightning Toast library. So first, we'll import this Lightning Toast library from import toast from Lightning Toast. This is the library which Salesforce has introduced, correct? Now, how to show toast messages using this library? So you do not need to do any big thing. Just use this toast, whatever variable you have declared here. In fact, you can give it any name, right? This name doesn't even matter, but you need to use the same name here. So toast dot show. Now, this toast.show is nothing but a function which accepts some parameters, right? So it inside this function, toast.show will pass a JSON, correct? And this JSON will accept your label, your message, your variant, and everything. So suppose label, I have given the label as let's say subscribe to my channel, right? And then let's say we have message here. Message should be let's say like, share, and subscribe, right? Then we have the variant, and the variant is success. Then we have the mode. Let's say mode is sticky this time. Sticky will What sticky mode is, the toast message will be on the screen until dismiss it. Correct. So this is how you don't need to you do not need to dispatch any event. You do not need to create any instance of the toast to show toast event. Nothing else. Just import this library and use this toast show function. Correct. Just save it. And okay, let's do one thing. Let's see the difference between this and the older version. Let me remove these three events. Okay, so now here you can see, let me import that again. Import toast from lightning toast. Okay, now this is the new way and this is the older way. In the older way, we need to create some event and then we need to dispatch the event, right? But here we'll just use this show method, and here we'll pass these attributes, correct? So let me comment this thing and deploy it again. You can see the difference, and it have many more features like the close action and the hyperlinks, which the older way do not have, right? Another difference between the newer version and the older version is that this toast message event cannot be used in the LWR sites. What LWR sites are? Lightning Web Runtime sites, right? Whatever we create in the Experience Cloud. Okay, let's go to the Salesforce org. Let me refresh this page and click success. So here you can see subscribe to my channel and like, share, and subscribe. But where is the links? How to use the hyperlinks? So let's see how to use the hyperlinks here. Okay. So to use the hyperlinks, what we are gonna do is, suppose in the label I need to use one link. So what I'll do is, in label label links. It is a property, or let's say it is an attribute within you need to pass. In the label links, you can create many like any number of links, but in a list, correct? And this list again will accept some reasons, because you can create many links, right? So let's say the first link, and again the label links will accept two parameters: URL, whatever URL you have. So let me use HTTPS, our website URL, and comma the label of that link. So the label is website link, correct? And suppose in the message also, if you want any link, just use message links, correct? Again it will be a list, correct? And this list will again accept some parameters, the same parameters, right? So let me use this only, and here let me give my YouTube channel link. So here I'll just use this and YouTube, correct? Okay. So we have created this label links and we have created this message link, but how to use in the label and message, how to use these links in the label and message. Okay, so let me tell you one thing. If you want to use these links into the label, you can only use the label links. If you want to use the message links, if you want to use the links in the message, you can only use this message links. You cannot use message links inside the label, and you cannot use label links inside the message. Correct? Okay, so label links currently have only uh, one pair of URL, right? So here, what we'll do, subscribe to my channel, and let's do one thing. Go to my website, and here, what we'll do, in the curly braces, just pass the index. Right, so list index starts from 0. This is the zeroth of the label links. The same way, this is the zeroth of message links. Correct? Here again, just pass this 0. So here you see that this 0 is of label links because it is used in label. This 0 is of message links because it is used in message. Correct? So let's deploy this component and just refresh this page and click success. You see, we have the clickable links here. Correct? If I click on website link, it will land me onto this website. If I click on this YouTube link, it will go to the Crazy Cloud YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, go and subscribe this first. Correct? And see, this is the sticky mode is. Until I click this cross icon, it will not get disappeared. Correct? Okay. So there were three updates. The one is the lightning this toast library. Another one are these links, and again we have another thing which is close action. So before learning the close action, let me tell you one thing. If you want to add multiple links in the message or label, what you can do, you can just create one more JSON like this. You can give any link and any, let's say, YouTube link to, right? And here just use let's say one, right? Or let's say and one. Why one? Because this was the zeroth of message links, and this was the first element of this message link. Right? Let's deploy this and see whether we are able to see those two links. You can use multiple links in message links and label links. Okay, it is deployed. Let's refresh this and success. Okay, so see, here we are having two links in the message. One is YouTube link 1, YouTube link 2. Correct? If you click this, it will again redirect you to the same link because I've just copied this link here. Okay, now what is close action? Close action is something whenever you click this cross icon, what should happen next, right? What should user do? Or let's say, what if you want to make any automation after clicking this cross icon? So what we'll do, here we have another property on close, another attribute on close. Correct? And in this on close, this will again see this. Okay, so here we have made a mistake here on close. Right? So this is how the arrow function works. In the on close of this toast icon, you can log any, you can do anything. Let's say I'm just console log, using this console log, closed. Correct? And even if you can call any method. Let's say I have created a method here, my func, and in this function let's put a log and say function created, correct? And here you can call this function my func, correct? So this is how on close works. On the close of this toast message, what action you want to perform. Okay, so let's go to this org, refresh this page. Let me open the console and clear it. Success. Okay, after pressing this close icon, what it will do, first it will print this closed, and then it will call this my function, and my function will again have a log function created. If you see here, closed and function created. So this was the close action, correct? So these was the updates in the winter 24 release, that it have the toast library, and it have the hyperlink option, and again it have the uh, let's say close action feature, correct? One more thing I wanted to tell you in the previous video, but I forgot. So we can even change the position of this toast message. Currently it is in center, right? The default position is center. What if you want to show this toast message onto the top right, or say top left, or bottom left, or bottom right? So how to do that? So to do this, we need to import the toast message container. So here we have something called as the toast container in LWC. So let's use toast container from, so it is again a library, lightning toast container, right? And here, if you need to, in the connected callback, you need to set the position of all the toast messages, right? Connected callback, what we'll do, first we'll create one instance of this toast container. So let's say const let's say any variable name, my toast equals to toast container dot instance. First you need to create the instance, and then you can just set the position. So my toast dot toast position, right, equals to, let's say, top right. Now all the toast messages will be displayed onto the top right position. Let's refresh this page. This is how it works, right? So I hope this video was helpful to you. So if you have any doubt regarding this video, or you need the code, you can just ping me on LinkedIn, or you can just ask me onto the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, go and subscribe it first. So see you in the next video.